There's something magical about watching movies on the big screen. For years, we have all saved that feeling for multiplexes. Dim lights, booming sound, and a screen so large that it makes you forget everything else. लेकिन सोचो, अगर वही सिनेमैटिक एक्सपीरियंस आपके घर के दीवार पे आ जाए तो? No tickets, no queues, no overpriced popcorn. बस एक प्रोजेक्टर and your living room becomes your personal theater. कॉम्पैक्ट रोटेटेबल एंड्रॉयड पावर्ड प्रोजेक्टर जो आपको 200 इंच तक का स्क्रीन प्रोजेक्ट कर सकता है। चलिए देखते हैं क्या फीचर्स मिलते हैं इसमें और क्या ये आपके होम सेटअप के लिए एक वर्दी कंसिडरेशन होगा। The Techno Projector doesn't stick to one angle. With its 210-degree rotatable design, you can project on a wall, screen, or even your ceiling. Remote focus makes setup easy, eliminating the need to physically adjust the lens every time. The overall build feels portable enough to carry around and place anywhere without requiring a fixed installation. Now this projector features a native 720p resolution, but it can also handle 4K decoded content. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये डिवाइस HD क्वालिटी में प्रोजेक्ट करता है, लेकिन अगर आप उसमें 4K वीडियो फाइल चलाते हो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। The company claims that the LED light source delivers 3 times the brightness compared to most budget portable projectors, and with a 5000:1 contrast ratio, colors look more vibrant and details sharper than you'd expect at this price. We tried watching an Asia Cup match, binge-watched a series on Netflix, and streamed YouTube videos. The visuals left immersive, especially while watching on the 200-inch screen. Unlike basic projectors that need a dongle or external device, the Techno runs on Android 13 operating system, so you get Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and other apps preloaded. That means instant access to entertainment just like on a smart TV. You don't have to plug in any extra device for the same. और सबसे ज़रूरी part, with the latest Android updates, हमें कोई compatibility issues भी नहीं दिखे. For wireless connectivity, the projector supports Wi-Fi 6 on dual bands, which are 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. इसका मतलब आपको इस प्रोजेक्टर को अपने घर के वाईफाई से कनेक्ट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Streaming feels smooth, lag-free, and we even tried some video conferencing, which worked well because of the low latency mode of the projector. On top of that, you get Bluetooth 5.0 support, so you can easily pair wireless headphones, soundbars, or speakers to the projector. Now, most budget projectors disappoint in audio. However, this one features built-in speakers that are claimed to be 4 times louder than those of competitors in this price segment. In our usage, dialogue clarity and bass response were solid enough for casual movie nights without needing any external speakers. Still, the Bluetooth 5.0 option gives flexibility if you want to have a more immersive sound setup. The LED lamp is rated for up to 50,000 hours of usage, which means years of watching time before you need a replacement for this one. Plus, you get a 1-year nationwide warranty from XElectron as well. So consider the XElectron Techno Android 13 smart projector at 6,990. For the price, you are getting a rotatable design with remote focus, native 720p with 4K support and a bright screen, Android 13 OS with Netflix, Prime and YouTube built in, Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.0 for smooth connectivity, and built-in speakers that are pretty loud. So if you have been planning to turn your bedroom or your living room into a mini home theater, this projector can deliver most of the essentials at an accessible price point. So what do you think? Would you pick the XElectron Techno for your home setup? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech reviews. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।